Wow, this is quite a difference from when I did the rough walkthrough not that long ago, only a couple months. Move-in day is Friday. This very cool kitchen, banquette area, awesome backsplash, handmade tiles. Took a lot of time to design between us and the tile people making it. So let's see what a transformation of this kitchen space, dining room. There's a dining room cabinet coming there at some point. I haven't picked the color yet though. Beautiful. Bar area. There's Rob checking for issues. 2-inch thick countertop. Fabulous hardware. Let's see what's in this drawer. Nothing crazy in that drawer. I know we ordered some cool pullouts. Yep, we have the stainless edge on the top of the drawers of the trash. And the sink. Very cool. That'll keep the gunk off it. Over here. That's going to hold a lot of stuff for cooking. Yep. There it goes. It's working. All her manuals. Very beautiful detail. It's amazing how the traditional details are very much back in style. Let's get a peek in the mudroom. Very cute. There'll be a bench going on there, plenty of storage for shoes, a little drop spot for mom, more kids' hooks, and all that important artwork from those little ones. All right, very fun. We'll be shooting this once they're all moved in and ready.